Hello friends, Clownboy here, and if you're looking at me and you're thinking, hey, there's something different about you, you'd be right. I was finally able to get a haircut. Yep, I let my little sister cut my hair. I said little sister, but if I told you how old she is, you'd say, that's not little, she's old. And you think she's old. Remember, she's my little sister, so what must you think of me? Another thing I want to try to do, I've tried it before in the past, but never quite could commit, but I'm going to grow a beard, because I think that would be fun to grow a beard. See, I've already started. Does it look cool yet? I don't know. We'll find out. Today is Saturday, so of course that means it's Storybook Saturday. And I've got a real fun one to read for you today. It is called the Hiccup-potamus by Zenz. I want to make sure I get that name right. Zenz. Z-E-N-Z. And I read this book and it was so much fun. It's written as a poem, so the words rhyme. But they're really silly words that are just a lot of fun to say out loud. And so I hope you enjoy it as well. So here we go. It gets the cat fur out of my eye. Got my kitty cat. She's on the table right here in front of me. Might be able to see her tail. Woo! Yep. She's doing that. Oh, there's her tail. Hi. This is Marmalade. Hey, Marmalade, look, you're on camera. Hey, look, you're on camera. Say hi. She doesn't want to say hi. She just wants to rub on my iPad. Yeah, she's my favorite kitty cat. Or she's my only kitty cat, but, you know, that's why she's my favorite. If I had two kitty cats, I couldn't have a favorite now, could I? Okay, you gonna lay down there now? Okay, you lay down there and I'll read you the story along with all the kids at home. Okay, so here we go. Hick! 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 There was a hippopotamus who hiccuped quite a lot of us. And every time he got a miss, he'd fall upon his bottomus. One day he saw an elephant with cakes of green and yellow fint. Hick! He tried to tell her, hello, Fint. But it didn't go so well, Fint. She chased him toward a centipede, pouring new cementipede. He hicked by accidentipede, and he tripped the elephantipede. They ran near a rhinoceros with minty dental flossiness. His string went all crisscrosserous, and that was the last Strodicus. They tried to find a therapy, some cure which they could sherapy, a what or why or wherapy, to stop this long night therapy. So, they wrapped him around with licorice and spun him very quickerish. They secured him to a buffalo and made him huff and puffalo. They acquired an aquarium and flashed him something scarium. They poured him tubs of vinegar and tickled his chin-chin-chinniger. And then at last, a miracle! His hiccups so severical just didn't reappear. He grinned from ear to earicle. Until... hick! 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 They all got the hiccups themselves. Oh my goodness. As someone who had the hiccups yesterday, it's not a lot of fun, is it? No. Though there are some tricks you can try. This is the one that works for me when I get the hiccups. You pinch your nose and you hold your breath and you try to swallow. Your ears might pop, but it usually works for me. Most of the time. sometimes I have to scare myself. So I open up my email and I look at my bank statement. That'll usually cure my hiccups right then and there. So my friends, I hope you really enjoyed that story. Don't forget to click that subscribe button if you haven't already. And I'll see you down the road. Have fun.